Huckel's Plumbing on a commercial bank of 8 Navien water heater installation. We have a 200-gallon holding tank. With a bank of 8, there's 4 on this side. There's all the venting, intake, and exhaust in 6-inch PVC. Condensate line out of the venting. Not a lot of room here that this was installed in. Here's the other bank of 4 for a total of 8. And all the intake and exhaust. That was a challenge, getting all those measurements and everything exactly right. Here's the manifold system. All the condensate lines, condensate collector at the bottom, and a condensate pump. All the recirc pumps for the whole complex, and the recirc pump that keeps the water hot in our storage tank. Another beautiful tankless water heater project by Huckel's. And the main guy heading this project up is Blake. Nice job, Blake.
Thanks, man.
Beautiful work.